is a lot more amplified. So sometimes it's good to have bear strategies. In case you see your whole portfolio turning down, you can execute bear strategies to make money in the downtrend to really eliminate your fear. It doesn't really go down faster than much because when we see up, we also see gap up. Okay, it is a human psychology more than data point. Okay, people say climb the stairs and jump out the window, right? Again, I like to go and do all these data point, and it's the experience seems faster, but it's not really faster. Okay, can elevator go up, go down. Okay, so okay. So bear strategy. Let me share with you. So death cross is actually opposite of golden cross. So okay, what do I mean by that? Okay, so we do a very quick one, then the rest will be quite similar already. Then we can go to reversal. Okay. So okay, I share with you. The first 6 strategy is all bull. Every bull strategy, there is a bear strategy. So okay, example, this one we use for this one also can. Now, simply put, okay, since our last strategy is golden envelope, we talk about golden envelope first. So golden envelope, there's a bear strategy. When do we enter gold when it's bear? It's very simple. Let's see. The indicators is all the same. So whatever that we use just now for the golden envelope, we can use for the golden envelope bear. So now is when the price is below 200 MA, and then what happens is when the price goes above the envelope. Okay, just now we mentioned when it's above, when it's going up, then below, close outside the envelope, then we enter here. Correct? Remember not? This one is bull. Now bear, we go opposite law. Bear will be here already. Okay, bear will be here. Can you see? Price is below 200 MA. When price is below, it is called what trend? Everybody, what trend is it? When price is below 200 MA. This one very important because we don't trade against the trend. When it's below, it's downtrend, correct? Downtrend. So, okay. So downtrend, another few things that we may want to add to our success, right? It is when the price is nearer to the MA, then you enter. If it's very far, here also can enter, but you know that it's really very far. So when it's nearer to the MA, nearer to the moving average, it acts as a support and resistance. So if you enter here, you see, you also go outside the what do you call that? The upper envelope, right? Go outside the upper envelope, that's where you may not make money. Okay, you may even lose here. But here, actually not really. Go upper envelope, down, here, close. Break even. You may break even here. But you should enter here. Can you see? Enter here. Price is below the 200 days MA, which is downtrend. Then it actually close outside the upper thing. Okay, why do we want it to close outside the upper thing? Because we say that it will draw back inside the channel, right? So we can enter here. Okay. So, sorry. Once we see this setup, we can enter here because it goes back in already. When it goes back in, you'll see this cute little cross, right? This is called doji. It's not dodgy as in like this method very dodgy, but it's actually called doji, Japanese candlestick name. You enter here, and then when do you exit? You can exit here. Very short time frame. Exit here. So any other things? Okay, here. Near the 200 MA, they go outside the channel and enter here. Then when do you exit? See, okay. Enter here. I can exit here. Can you see? So it's a bear strategy. Okay, can you see? Every bull there's a bear. If okay, how many type B and B? Bull and bear. Okay, bull and bear. So okay, maybe all this I don't do much details because you all already know how to set up the indicator. You all know that it is just opposite. Okay, so price below 200 MA. This one is death cross. Death cross is opposite golden cross. Is using MA. Then we also have parabolic, which is also opposite. So price is below 200, and then after that it is all the opposite. Is it okay? This one will just send you all the slides, then you'll go and read through. So and then go and practice. But personally, I somehow my bear strategy doesn't work very well. For me, I'm a better bull person. Okay, can So this one I don't want to waste your time because the indicators is the same. Can Okay, so all these I'll send you guys. All the death cross parabolic. This one is Ichimoku bear. So now the clouds is on top. So now it's below. It's dropping down the sky already. Okay. So okay. Then after that, turtle also got bear. Okay. But turtle trader, right? I'm not too sure because this one I actually read through. I've seen through. I didn't see much of the turtle using the bear instead, but I do see people using it. But the actual turtle trader, I'm not too sure whether they use bear. Okay, just to share with you guys. Alligator, same thing, bear. Okay, great. So same thing, POT. Okay, POT is position size optimized and then backtest. Just to give you guys a very quick sensing of a MetaTrader 5, right? So MetaTrader 5, this is one of the program that I actually teach, which is called quant trading. And later I want to share with you all how all of you all have a chance to access to it. Okay. So for those who are quant traders, you are inside there. Of course, definitely you all will be going through the mastermind with me. But for those who are very, very new, and you do like all this, right? Let me show something that's very, very impressive in MetaTrader 5. So very quick sneak preview, but if let's say you can know how to use it, go ahead and test it out. Okay. So can you see right here, right? Okay, you go to view, can you see this thing called strategy tester? If you can see, how many type? ST. So we are people who like to do back testing. We like to back test strategy. So we are BTS, back test strategy. Okay. So strategy tester, you click on it, right? You can actually set the inputs. Okay. Sorry, the settings. So example, you want to test gold, and then you want to test whether the 200 days moving average. Okay, you want to test golden cross. Okay, this is the part that will be a little bit trickier. It's called expert advisor. But for those who have attended some of our AI quant training, right, you know that we use ChatGPT to write on. So we don't really write this ourselves. We just give ChatGPT this PowerPoint slide. I'm not kidding you. You give ChatGPT this PowerPoint slide. Example, golden cross. Give them the PowerPoint slide, turn it into an expert advisor. They will help you create. Okay, may not be always totally 100% perfect the first time, but you go and check a few times can already. Okay. So example, I'm going to test out Go USD and stuff like that. Let me show you guys how amazing this is. So okay, after all this, right? Okay, custom period. I want to test maybe this year 2004. Wow, this one I tell you, this one is damn amazing. This one, am I? Next time we talk about it. Okay, so delay. Sorry, a bit delay. Okay. So this one usually I'll use the last ping, my server's delay. And then you can see everything else is here. Leverage, just leave everything as per normal. Okay, you can optimization disable first. So they will help you backtest. Okay. So after they backtest for you, right? Okay, after they backtest for you, they will tell you your results and things like that. Okay, example, you click already, this is the backtest result. They will tell you what's your net profit. The cool thing that we want to look for is the Sharpe ratio, expected payoff for Sharpe ratio, these two things. Okay. So okay, this one we go both long and short. How many long trades won? How many long trades lost? Can you see it is 94%? 94% winning trades. Can you see that? Would you like to have a 94% winning trade? With a Sharpe ratio that's 2.16, which is actually means that this whole entire equity moves up very smoothly. This is the profit graph. You keep making money, keep making money, keep making money. Okay, so this is using MT4 and using the golden cross. It's mainly using golden cross. After that, right, when you can use the optimization here, optimization, right? Optimization results, right? Let me show the most amazing thing. Okay, can you see optimization results? This they go and test out, right? Okay, let me show this. I don't know whether can you all see. Is it the mouse a bit small, but I want to share with you. This is something that I would love all of you to understand. There's 4275. So there's 4275 possible permutation. When I ask them, hey, I don't know the golden cross, right? Should I use 20 MA and 50 MA? Or should I use 21 MA and 52 MA? Or maybe I use 17 MA and 53 MA. Which one is better? Go and optimize. Then they go and optimize for me 4,000 permutations. And then your guess what's the best MA? You can see the MA period, MA shift. They test 17 to 111, 17 to 113. So they keep testing, test 4,000 over permutation. Let me show you this. Okay, the results actually go for the best one. Okay, wait. Okay, this is the worst result. Wait, okay, can you see this is the best result? Best result. I use based on Sharpe ratio, but I can use based on the highest win rate. We can test different things now. The best MA crossover for gold for 1 hour is 11 and 34. 11 and 34. You all can write this down. It's 1 hour, 11 and 34. So you want to do MA crossover, that's the optimized one. Now, this gives me, I ask you, if you're going to test 4,000 different times over like multiple time frames, will it give you a lot more confidence to invest? Definitely. Otherwise, this guy say this method is good, but got test before or not? So for me, I like to go and test. So same thing, the envelope one, I can give the specific rules. Every time cross. I want to see how much I can win. How much I can win and also how much I can actually optimize. That's the key thing. Because every variable, I told you guys POT. Can you all please type POT? Yes. Yes, Michael. After I do everything already, can you see this thing? Algo trading, click. Trade for me. Okay, so after that, I can go and sleep already. I don't need to 1 hour every day wake up and check. They will check for me. So this is things that if you're interested later, I'll share with you all how you can get access to it, and it will be a gift for all of you all. Okay, Ken? Just to tell you guys, sometimes you all, so many things. Actually, got even more things, but more things will make your life better. Okay, so quick, just a quick commercial break before we go into reversal. Quite interesting. Quite interesting. Okay, so I want you to treat all this investing and trading, right, as like a treat it like a hobby lah. If you treat it like your life and death, well, next month you have to make 1 million, you'll be so stressed that cannot trade very well, huh? Okay. So for me, I learned to initially I traded because of money. After a while, I realized, wow, very amazing. There's a lot of way I can use to win, better win this whole game. Okay, which I want to share with you all. Okay, so we can win together. Can you can just click and then auto trade. Algo trading is just basically auto trade. I don't know why they call it algo. The algorithm is based on the set of rules that we put in. Hey, but I tell you, okay, sorry, I show you one more thing. One more thing. Just now what I show is optimization, right? I show something which I think will blow your whole entire brain. Okay. MT5 got complete optimization, which is what I show you. Can test 4,000 permutation. They have this thing called forward optimization. Do you know what it means or not? It means that as it starts to trade for you, it continue to optimize. It's not just optimized based on past data. It optimized based on forward new data. Oh, this one is like I realize a lot of people who use MT, they also don't know how to use all this. You must learn all this. This one, you want to really make money and it's not good, it's just click a few buttons only. Okay, but you must understand how to operate it. Okay. How many of you feel excited? Yes, yes. Yes, MT5, as long as your brokerage can use MT5, you can use really. You can use any brokerage. I don't know a lot of brokerage. Sorry. So whichever brokerage. So there is okay. This one you can find out from the brokerage. They would, but a lot of the brokerage. I was talking to some of the brokerage people. I tell them, hey, I can do all this. They also didn't know. I realized they also never trade on now. Okay, but don't worry. Okay, come. We go for reversal. Then later I share with you all how we can all do all this live trading together. Can Okay, come. Reversal. Strategy 13. Okay, this one is called RSI bullish divergence. Have you heard of this before? It's a very classic method that a lot of seasoned traders like to use. This one, it is not easy to find, but when you find it, it's highly accurate. This one is really highly accurate. It's called divergence. Okay. Algo trade software itself need account. I mean, if you want it to trade, then you do have account, then what does it trade? As in, you can put in $50 for it to trade. So there's okay, later we talk about it. We go for strategy first. Okay, so RSI bullish divergence. So what we use RSI. The time is 4 hours, 1 day. You can use shorter time frame also, but this one can be quite fast. Can be quite fast. If it's too fast, you may not be able to enter exit because this one needs a little bit of discretion. So it is not totally. This one can automate, but your algorithm must explain what is divergence to the RSI. Okay. So the indicator you use RSI. Okay. So let's go through. Let's go through. So I was using Euro USD. Okay. Let me clear the indicators. Euro USD 4 hours indicator list. Oops. Again, I do hope that you all see this as something fun more than like, wow, die need to make money now. Okay, then you're the easier to make. Okay, because when it's very stressful to try to make money again and again, wow, I tell you, may not be so easy. Can So let me go insert indicators, oscillator. Then here got this RSI. Oops. Can So the period is 14 days. Power outrage out. Then you must short the Microsoft stocks. No, I'm just kidding. I want to buy the stock already. I like this kind of. The Microsoft got problem. Then after that the share price drop. Then that's the best time to buy. Okay. So okay, in order to understand RSI, the divergence, right? Okay, so now same thing got good, got bull, got bear. So this one, right? I explained to you, right? This one, it is a bullish divergence. Bullish divergence, right? You need to do a few things. Okay. You need to look at the top of the okay, you need to look at the mountains. What I call the mountains. So the mountains is this. The price right now, we don't have 200 days moving average, right? So right now, can you tell me the price is uptrend or downtrend? This portion. One simple question. No, not trick question. Just to make sure that we are all aligned. Okay, so uptrend, right? But how do we know it's uptrend? We know it's uptrend because we see a few things together. The things that we are seeing together, right? Okay, so this is the portion. Can you see this is the mountain top, mountain top, mountain top? You try to find a way to connect the mountain top together. You will see that the mountain top is getting higher and higher. So they call this higher highs. Okay, higher highs. So you can see the prices are making oops. Oh no, this is a bullish lower high. Oh, I'm so sorry. Bullish divergence. We go for downtrend first. Okay, wait. This one later we come back to it. Okay, downtrend. So sorry, downtrend. Downtrend, can you see that the mountain is getting shorter and shorter? The mountain is going down, down, down. So this one is a downtrend because what we want is a reversal. When reverse uptrend, then we go in. Okay. So this is called a lower high. Lower high. So again, I come back here. Making prices are making lower high. The highs are getting lower. Same thing. When you go and drink alcohol, you feel very high. After that, get lower and lower. Okay. Not related. I'm sorry. Lousy example. Okay. So lower high. Now this is called downtrend. Can you see the RSI? RSI here, right? They also have all these mountain on. And their mountain is in correlation to your mountain. Okay. So as we draw this price downwards, we also draw the RSI. Actually, okay. So RSI maybe from here. This is the top. This is the top. Okay. This is going down slope, right? This one is going down slope. So this one, there's no divergence. Okay, no divergence means everything okay. So this one, no entry, no entry. Okay, I try to look for the one that got entry one. This one not easy to find, okay. Oh, this one I also find some time. Oh, RSI is relative strength index. Cross strike. All these are solid. Give me some time to find. Okay, so you see price goes down, RSI also goes down. Oh, okay, we want to find, what I'm trying to find is a situation where the price is going down, but the RSI is going up. Okay, wait. Let me see whether this one have or not. Okay. Okay, I did do a few screenshots when I was actually preparing for this. So, but let me use a screenshot first. Later we continue to find. So when the price is going lower and lower, but the RSI is going higher and higher, it is called a divergence. It means that it diverged already. A divergence means, right, the RSI is behaving differently from the share price. So the RSI will tell you that, hey, the share price won't continue to move this direction. It's going to change in direction. So this one is a signal for you to say that it is time for you to go in. So you can enter long when the price break resistance. Profit stop loss 1 to 1. Okay, so let me show you this. Okay, I managed to find this. Euro USD 4 hours. Can you see that the price is going down, down, down? So generally it's quite obvious that it's going down, down, down. So you draw a line all the way across, and then you can see that RSI, when you connect, right, is going up, up, up. This picture can see that. Later we try to find one. Okay. Now, when this happens, right, when price going down, but RSI going up, we get ready to buy. When do we buy? We buy when you must draw this trend line down. When the share price breaks. When the share price breaks across this portion, after the RSI divergence is seen, right? That's where you enter here. Okay, it's a reversal pattern. Got it? Can How many of you used this before? If you done this before, you can type me, and also can share what's your experience in it. This one, so far, my very seasoned traders. Last time I got a very good friend who actually used this mainly, and then he trade for I think 20 over years. He's okay. He used to be a broker also. Then he quit broking, then do this full time. Now in Australia already. One of my good friends. Okay. So Jefferson also uses this, is it? Okay. So this is but not easy to find. It's really not easy to find. When this setup is very obvious and done, wow, it is a very good profit. Okay. So you actually chunk all the way up, and then you can, okay, your profit target is when MACD, SI, all the oscillators, when there's a divergence with the main share price, right, is a very strong signal. Okay. Wait, let me see. Bullish strategies applies to uptrend. This one is not bullish. This one is a reverse pattern. But when I say bullish reversal, means that we are buying one. Later we do one that we are selling one. Got it? Yes. MACD can also use divergence. The histogram. Were there two false breaks up before the real breakout? Here is it? Are you seeing here? Okay, but here the haven't diverged, correct? This one forms the next high for you to diverge, right? Divergence. Maybe you're saying here is the breakout, is it? Maybe can have a breakout. Then you remember to put a stop loss. The stop loss is here. Okay. Your next profit target. Again, I'm glad that y'all asked this because there's no 100% one. There's no 100%. It's only high probability. So after you enter here, okay, the recommended, depending on your okay, once you're a very seasoned trader, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. For those more seasoned one, more than maybe 3 years, 5 years, typically you don't really like to set too much of a profit target. You like to let your profits run. If you all agree one and then you really actually do it one, you type A. This is typically the way because sometimes really the profit run is the one that makes you a lot of money. Okay, it can makes you what? Because when the market reverse chong up, right, it really chong a lot. But again, we talk about trend. That's why the first strategy I like to teach is the trend following one. Trend following one, when it keeps going up, going up, I rather put a trailing stop loss and do it. But the profit target, because you say that, hey, I don't know whether you're coming down, it can be very discouraging. Wow, keep getting stop out, then keep getting stop out, then no profit. It can be very discouraging. So sometimes if you're very new, you can set a profit target. Set a profit target. So you once you enter, set a profit target near the previous resistance. Then you can like exit here when go near exit, because it may bounce back down again. Okay, so this is called divergence. Okay, so divergence again, let us try to find one, at least find one. Don't give up. Okay, when did I manage to find this? You see now, basically you see the price and the RSI. Someone mentioned MACD, right? I'm gonna add MACD in. But most of the oscillators, they move similarly. Can you see? Move similarly. So the price go up, RSI go up, MACD also go up. Can you see? It's very similar. High, then this one low, then this one also lower. This one also lower. So it works very similar. Got it all? So let's see whether we can find one. Just one. Come on. Don't make me lose face. Just I should capture the time frame that we were doing just now. Hey, here have or not? Down. Not really. Not very obvious. There's the scary part. Sometimes it's not obvious. Then you try to see until it looks obvious. Seasoned investors know what I'm talking about. Okay, well, this one really cannot find. Let's see. This one moving down. This one. I don't want to force things. I don't want to force it. But you can see that example. You tell me have or don't have. Okay. This one is going down. Okay. Then this one is not really, right? Not really lah. This one is a bit flat but not really. Okay, we want it to be like, wow, this one going up one. If this one higher up, okay, then even better. Got it. The MACD one, I don't really know how to use this per se but you can see that this one is actually on the downside already. Okay, maybe we can learn it the next one. Okay, but you understand if let's say this one is actually obviously going up one, but this one not this one is really not okay, this one is going down, this one going up. Then when it breaks, then that's where you can enter, and then you can ride the uptrend up. Got it. So this one is actually divergence. Divergence again, not easy to find, but once you find, it is pretty accurate. Should be comparing the low point. Oh, okay. Expand RSI will be clearer. Wait, hang on. Wait. So I want to share with you. Okay. So we are talking about downtrend, reverse up, right? You look at the high. So you draw the high. When you talk about uptrend, this one have or not? When you talk about uptrend, okay, uptrend, you go to the bottom. Uptrend. When it's uptrend, you draw the bottom. This is for divergence purely. Of course, you can draw channel and stuff like that. This one is going up. You want this to go down. Okay, not want this to go down. If you notice this one is going down, this one is not. It's really not going down. This one is also going up. But if it goes down, then there's a divergence. Then after that, when it breaks, that's where you can enter. And then it goes. It's supposed to go down. But there's no divergence. Got it? So this one a bit hard to find. But I've draw some examples for you. If you all can find it, then we can actually enter some. But you can see stop loss will be the previous low, and then profit target will be the previous high. But again, I prefer the profit target to be trailing stop loss better. Can? Divergence works when RSI is below 30. Is that so? Oh, you're talking about the uptrend, is it? Okay, but this one is more of trending already if it goes below 30. But again, depends on your strategy. It may be a bit different from what I've been using with my that friend of mine. He trade until financially free, no need to do work already, but he use divergence only. But he told me he's super patient. Maybe 1 year he only got a few trades, but each trade he go in big trades. Sometimes will lose a bit, but most of them big trades. Okay, so this is possible. Can So this divergence Okay, next one Okay, I still got. Well, I'm okay. 5 more only. Oh, exciting. Okay, the rest of all these right becomes easier. Got some very easy to use one. Are you guys ready? If you're ready, help me type 15. Okay. Okay. So Heikin Ash. Okay, I don't know how to pronounce Aishi. Okay, Heikin Aishi is a candlestick to smooth out the data. It is all these quite interesting one. The Japanese they come up with all these indicators. So you use Heikin Aishi and also RSI 14. Which one is 14? Oh, 14 is this one. 14 is RSI bearish, 13 is RSI bullish. Okay, it's two strategy, it's actually one strategy but two direction. But this one is useful depending on the trend. Okay, depending on trend. But okay, again, this divergence typically works better in a bigger ranging form where it goes down, then you need to go back up, goes down, go back up. Okay, so this is how it goes for divergence. Do you use for the big trends itself? According to whom I learned from, he didn't. He used more for ranging, and he also told me that 50% of the time the market is ranging. So 50 to 60% of the time the market is ranging. That's where he finds his entry and exit point. Okay, Ken? Now, let's go for 15. So there's bull and bear also. So this one, right, is a very interesting asset class. I mean, sorry, indicator. Let's use gold. It changes your candlestick patterns, candlestick colors. Okay. So this one, what am I using? Let's see. This one is a USD, Euro USD. Let's go for the gold. So gold, time frame daily. But from what I understand, this one can also go shorter time frame. I mean, because a lot of y'all interested in shorter time frame. Any of y'all are day traders, meaning you say you buy and sell within a day one. If you are, you can type D. Okay, it's all about preferences. For me, I don't really do much day trading last time. Now I use my auto bot, click, ask them to go and trade for me. Okay, can. So now here, where is it? Let me try to. Okay, here. Okay, here the particular indicator is here. You see, Heiken Aishi. Okay, if you are Japanese and you know how to pronounce it correctly, please let me know. It is on this panel. So this panel under indicators, So they okay. By the way, I just share with you all one more thing that's very interesting. Before I go into this Heiken Aishi. Okay, this one itself, right? Okay, if you look at my mouse, right, can you see this thing called market? If you can see market, how many type M? Okay, so this one, right, you can even click on the market, and then there are other indicators that people are selling. You can also go for the free ones. Go for the free ones. Make sure you go for the 5-star ones. Okay, go for 5 stars ones. So there's like free go MT5. No, there's nothing to lose to go and test it out. And then after that, you can actually download. So download, right? Download already. You can go and do back testing to see whether it actually works. So these are things that I like to do. A bit no live. Shouldn't tell you what I do. Okay. But just to share with you guys that there's a lot of things that you all can get it from. So I know that some people you also buy indicators from somewhere. I also bought before. Some of them work. Sometimes the free one also not bad. It's quite funny. Back testing. Okay, that one really takes quite a bit because you need to write the script. So I later I go through with you guys what is going to happen next. Okay. Okay. So come back to here. Come back to here. Okay. Heikin Aishi. Go back to this portion. This one is go. Okay. Allow modification for signal settings. All this. Click. Okay. Now, can you see that immediately my candles change to blue and red? Blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. So this one, they automatically detect for me what is the trend. Is it downtrend? Is it uptrend? It suddenly becomes clearer, right? Okay, so it makes the, okay, they use both volume plus the direction of the candles to show you uptrend or downtrend. Can you all see the uptrend and downtrend? The blue is uptrend, the red is a downtrend. If it becomes a lot clearer, right? How many type C? So when do you buy? You buy when it becomes blue color, then you sell and trade. So this is the whole idea of this particular method, which I personally find quite amazing. It's like, wow, it becomes clearer and there's no dispute. There's no dispute. Okay. So for example, the latest of the latest blue red already. So red you can buy. Okay, obviously there's false breakout. There's no 100% guarantee. Okay. So it's a very powerful method. And then we combine it with RSI. RSI. So RSI, I'm going to add this in. A lot of investors, traders like to use RSI only also. So RSI, right? How do we combine these two? Because one indicator by itself is never complete. Even two also never complete, but increase the chance. So, okay, you can see, so to buy, we talk about buy, is we buy when it is the blue candle, correct? Or the blue candle. But sometimes the blue candle also goes sideways. When do we buy? We buy it when the RSI is below 30. So when RSI is below 30 and they move above 30, plus this in the same vicinity, about 3 to 4 candles apart, the candle turns into bullish trend, meaning you say turn into blue color. That's where we can buy. So let's see. Example. I only talk about win rate lah. Percentage profit and expected payout, you all can go and test it out yourself. Okay, and it also depends on but okay, those that we are talking about is positive expected payout. Positive expected payout means, right, the percentage of your winning rates multiplied by the number of how much you win minus how much you may lose, right, is a positive thing. So profit factor is more than one. Okay, I don't know whether you understand what I'm talking about. Okay, so all this, it is a higher probability of winning plus expected payout. Means that if you keep using this, you cannot use it one time lah. You must use it like 10, 20 times. Over time, you will usually win. Okay, I say usually because I also don't want to say 100%. Okay, but typically, if everybody is winning, then unlikely why suddenly you use then lose. Right? Okay, now can you all see? Okay, so the best way to find this particular setup, right, is using RSI. Because RSI typically will range between 30, can you see 30 and 70. So when it crosses below 30, it is a potential time to possible enter already. Because RSI below 30 means that it is oversold. Too many people sell already. It is time to go back up. So when do we enter? We enter when RSI is below 30, cross back up above 30. Can you see here? I hope it's obvious, huh? So when it's cross back up above 30, from 30, cross back up, right? Below 30, cross back up above 30, and the line from red turns to blue. This is the entry. If y'all can understand this portion, how many type H? H for the Heiken Aish handle. Okay, so this is a entry signal. Okay, when do we exit? We can set profit based on recent resistance level. Again, because it's a reversal, sometimes it's ranging. So here we enter here. This is the resistance level. We can exit here. Very short time frame. Enter here, exit here. Then the stop loss where? Stop loss here. So if you lose this distance. If you win this distance. It should be quite obvious that the win-lose rate is to our advantage. Okay, it at least should be 1:1 because by the time you enter, maybe it's a up candle already. Okay, you lose here, or maybe slightly higher lah. I don't want to be biased. You enter here. If you lose, it's here. If you win, it's here. Got it? Sorry. How come you never enter at earlier lows? Here is it? Is it talking about here or here? No, because RSI didn't below 30 ma. Can see? Oh, it is actually based on volume. So some of them, the color not totally equal, right? It means that the bull and the bear, it is like almost equal. Is that what you're asking? Like why I never enter these two? Is that what you're asking? Oh, okay. Because RSI ma, can you see RSI? Didn't go below 30. Must go below 30, come back up, then you enter. Huh? Got it all? So if let's say everything you also enter, then you keep getting hammer upside down. So you add one more RSI, increase your chance. Good question. Okay. Got it all? So that's why you all see importance of adding 2 indicators instead of just one only. Got it? But lesser trade is good. You don't want to enter every single trade. Can. So profit target is here. Then stop loss, you can, again, like I mentioned, below, at the bottom here. And then trailing stop loss also. Okay. So sometimes you like to let it ride, then you let it ride now. Okay. Because sometimes you can see, wow, big uptrend, then you miss it out. So sometimes you put ATR, then goes up. If it triggers here, at least you make more than just here only. Maybe probably you make somewhere here. Can. Will value investing buy to close? Okay. So whatever this is a very good question. Sus. Wow, you see, I'm very encouraging. Good question is a good question. So now for value investing, right, we go in even deeper. So example, the Apple, Amazon, all this, we look at fundamentals, then we use technicals on top of it to go through a better entry point. So it is good company, it is undervalued, plus you use this indicator, isn't it even more powerful? Your chance becomes higher and higher and higher. For us, when we go investing and trading, right, we want to make sure we got advantage, we got an edge. So every single thing that we add to our particular, I would say, trade setup, right, it increases our chance of winning. There's no 100%, no 100% one, but it increases chance. So when we go inside there, confidence higher. But even confidence higher, we still do POT. Can you please like POT? Position. Then we optimize backtest, and then finally we trade. Okay, got it? So this is the bull. The bear is the opposite. Bear is opposite. So strategy 17 is bear. Okay, the bear is opposite. Very simple. So how do we look for the opposite trade? We look for opposite trade around here. Can you see 70? When RSI is above 70, that's the best time to eyeball and see is there any potential. On high side, very easy to see which one go up, go down. But we look at RSI, this one haven't 70, cross 70. Okay, we see whether got some losing trades to see. Okay, can you see this one above 70? Above 70, blue line. Pop, pop, pop. This one is red. Can you see or not? Above 70, then cross down already. Did he cross down? Cross down already. You probably will enter here. Okay, we'll enter here. Enter here, then lose already. Because why? We will set stop loss here. We'll set stop loss here. Then maybe we'll set like a trailing lah. So this one probably lose. So it's not always win one. Let me zoom in a bit for you. Did I? You're not talking about. I don't want to keep showing you all the win one only. Okay. Here. So 70. Above 70. Cross below. Then from blue, change into red. Okay, this one can enter. This one can enter. Enter. Then you put a stop loss above here. Well, quite far. So if you put a stop loss here, if you enter here and you put a stop loss here, make sure these losses, if you lose, is how many percent, guys? Trading view. I believe a lot of the other platforms also have one. You can go and find. Okay, it is not only for MetaTrader one. Trading view, you can also go and code your own things. Okay, can? But later I share with you all one advantage over Meta over trading. Trading view got advantage. MetaTrader also got advantage. Trading view I think a lot easier to use. Actually okay after a while you use both. Okay. So anyway, when you enter here, it goes down, 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 down. You trailing stop loss, probably you can stop out here. So you enter here, you stop here, you mix up here. Got it all? So for the what do you call that? Bearish one, right? When we want to sell, we look for all this. RSI above 70, goes back in. But haven't totally changed. This one unclear. Maybe here. Enter here, goes down. Then probably you get stop out somewhere around here already when you swing back out. Got it all? So you can see this setup is actually pretty good for ranging. Okay, but again, you must wait for RSI below 30, or above 70. This one is quite accurate for this particular RSI plus these candlesticks. Okay, so RSI below 30 goes back up. You probably enter here, blue color, goes all the way up, stop out here. Can? Oh yes, high script can. Sorry, I'm not able to show you the trading stop loss now. Because I need to enter the trade, which because Saturday cannot enter. So later we talk about live trading. Okay, enter the trade already. Then after that, once you enter, you can click the trading stop loss. Right now cannot set up. Pi script can be converted into MT5. So as long as you got ChatGPT, you are 天下无敌 already. You are really, guys, really very powerful. Free version of TradingView now. There's a problem lah. TradingView can only have 2 indicators. That's the issue. Okay, can. So this one I really like a lot. If you want to start with one strategy for reversal, this is one that I so-called favorite it lah. But still got a few. Okay. So you all see which one you like. Oh, this one is also quite interesting. This one is called NRTR Boo. Okay, NRTR channel, right? It's created by this guy. I don't want to go into the history but it's quite funny one. He's actually a very silent trader. You cannot find anything about him. And even this NRTR, right, is his name spelled backwards. His name is spelled backwards. You can go and find out this NRTR. So I show this. I'm quite amazed by this NRTR also. But this one, we also use a bit of trending. Okay, so 200 SMA, NRTR. And this one we can use for all asset class and day. Okay, so I'm just going to use. So I'm going to change this. Okay, take away the relative price. This one is the NRTR one. I really like it a lot. Wow, actually I like quite a bit. So my favorite strategies all I put at the back. And also the golden cross. Golden cross quite easy one. Okay. Those in the middle, not say not good. It's just that see sometimes I feel like the Ichi Moku, sometimes the eyes have to see until a bit painful. But good news is they have the green color line can be a forward casting kind of strategy. Trading view got discount. Hey, send your affiliate link lah. This one I allow you all put. Hey, wait, where's my team member? You all can put your affiliate link if you want. Okay lah. For me, I don't really use a lot of trading view to do all this. My other team members are more expert in trading view than me. For me, I like to use those that I can do a lot of backtesting. Okay. Come back to here. NRTR Boo. Same thing. This one we first use moving average 200. Put inside first. Then we go and find the NRTR. My NRTR. Okay, NRTR is under free indicators. So must go and search a bit. Sometimes a bit confusing also, the folders. Sorry about that. I shouldn't apologize. It's MT5, not me. Okay. So NRTR under free, you can see NRTR. Okay, this is very, very amazing. I already find this quite, it's like a breakout systems. Okay. So you can see uh they will give you all these like entry as you remember the 20 days it's almost like they help you automate the turtle trader. Okay, turtle trader we have to go draw 20 days, right? This one it's almost like they automate for us, but it's not exactly. Yeah. So okay, this one I like it a lot. You see, price must be above 200 days moving average. So this one is for bull uptrend. The next one you all know is a bear already. Okay, can. So example, let me just zoom out a little bit so that we can see more. We go for the uptrend one. Wow, the uptrend so long. Okay. So anyway, uptrend. But uptrend also must know when to enter exit because in between also cannot whack. So you can see very, very simple strategy. So this NRTR, okay, you all later go and search what is the guy's name. I also don't know how to pronounce. I think it's a Russian name. Okay, very simply put, let me zoom in. Okay, can you see? When it breaks out, then you enter. So when the price close above the NRTR channel, then you enter. This one I really like it a lot because it's like an automated turtle trader. You see? Okay, so this is the trend. So they will show you one pump close above already, you enter. Then where is your stop loss? Below here. Then after that, when it continues to break up, then you enter. But it must be above an uptrend. So this one is a very clear uptrend. So this one I want to be very upfront. It's a little bit unfair because we already know that it's very clear uptrend. But you can see where will you get stop out is here. Break below you sell. But if it's still uptrend, you wait for it. Close above, you enter. Go here. Here, break below you sell. Oh, got it. Then this one you enter here, break below. This one you lost. So doesn't mean always one. This one you may also enter. Then this one break you lost. So again, the loss must be how many percent? 2%. But this one is going for the up pump. Goes up, go up, go up, go up. This one you go out, enter here, exit here. You will enter here. You will maybe exit here because you get whip out. So enter here, then go for the big ones. Okay. So you can see it is actually a trend. This one is actually not reversal. I'm sorry. This one not reversal. This one is trend dealing. So remember I told you guys the turtle trader one, right? This one, when I go and compare to a turtle trader, adding a SMA 200 gives you a higher chance of winning. Turtle trader, they make a lot of money, but they have to lose. Win one big one, they win a lot. This one is a little bit more mellow down. So you may win 50, you may lose 50, but when you win, you win. You lose, you only stop loss at 2%. Got it? So it's a very, very good strategy. Okay. So this is also one of that you can favor. Okay. This NRTR by a Russian guy. I don't even know whether it's a Russian guy. The name sounds Russian. Okay. You'll go and search for it. Okay. Then anybody can search and then write the name down. Yeah, the recording will be available. Almost every day is a good deal until Friday. You mean the trading view? Okay. When do I enter and exit? Okay. So let me show the bear. NRTR bear. So NRTR bear is the opposite from bull. Okay. You must wait for the price to be below moving average. Below 200 days moving average. Okay, once it's below 200 days moving average, you see this dotted line, right? You wait for the price to close below. Then you enter. You enter here. You enter here already, you put a stop loss here. So this is the amount that you are willing to lose. Then this one must be 2% only. Then as it progresses down, can you see? They will help you put the next stop loss on. You just follow. Okay, haven't stopped. Maybe this one already triggered already. Maybe this one, no, this one, sorry, this one is here. Hey, wow. This one will be a solid one, sir. Hey, wow. Okay, I think then we will get out here. So you enter here, it breaks here, you enter here, you get out here. So this one make quite a lot, the gold one. So okay, again, a few more things is if let's say it is already very far away from the moving average, right? You may not want to enter again. This is just some quick tip. So here you can see it's below, moving near moving average already. See, moving near moving average. Moving near the price is nearer to moving average. Here you enter. Stop loss where? Here. They give you the stop loss already. Then after that, you enter, pop loss. You lose out here. So no, lose out here. You will actually get out here. But they will adjust the stop loss. You see, adjust the stop loss. So you will lose here. Enter here. Because now it's downtrend, bear. Enter here. Okay. Set stop loss here. As it progress up, you can even set a trailing stop, but I think unlikely to make money. This one you'll lose, but you'll lose a bit lesser. Can see that? Okay, oh, so this one is a quite a powerful indicator. So quite a high probability one also. Or you can use it on gold, you can use it on other asset classes. But this one, what I like is so simple. Can you all see? Do you find this very simple? If you like this kind of simple one, you can type NRTR. I need to acknowledge that guy. I cannot, I feel that unfair to like just use his name then NRTR founder. It's very funny. Okay. NRTR wow, trading. They don't have the name. Wow, cannot find it. Okay, never mind. NRTR, right? Did I spell on me? NRTR channel. Okay, wait. NRTR, we are just channel. Okay, okay. So NRTR stands for Nick Repok Trading Reverse. His real name is called Konstantin Kopikrin. Okay, so he actually Nick is Nik it's called Nick. Then Rypok, which is this report. So it's the opposite of his real name. Very interesting guy, but you cannot really find anything about him. But legend says that he's a trader in Russia. Okay, very interesting portion. Okay, so this one I think is very easy for beginners. Can also do this. Strategy number 19 already, right? Okay, last one already. Okay. So far later I'll send you all the slides. Okay. Okay, later I'll just quickly like put it in the Zoom, then you can go and download. Okay. Just give me last one already. Last one. Simplest for everybody. Oh, actually for me, the simplest is the one that I like a lot. I like the golden cross. For me, I like the golden cross. And then the NRTR, I was okay because the reason why I like the golden cross, right, is because I can easily optimize. I can test the different periods. Okay. Okay. And the recent one that I see the NRTR and also the high kin IC one, right? This one can also optimize and auto trade. So I also quite like it a lot. You just put all the algorithm inside. You must understand, all these indicators, they change color, right? It's not because someone is down there thinking is it red or blue. It's all by numbers one. The volume plus the price movement, how much is it? The number, the color will change. Everything that you can actually make into indicator, you can auto trade. Okay, you can auto trade. So this is something that I'm quite excited lah. Can? Okay. So trading view, which one? Okay. So yes, only this hiking one, right? I use the trading stop loss of 180. Okay. Only this one only. The rest is 1.5. Correct, right? The rest is all 1.5. Oops. This one is 1. Again, is through backtesting, through backtesting and optimization. Okay, last one already. Last one, in case I hope that it is not confusing, and I hope that you all have gotten value. If it's so far okay, can you all tell me frankly, because I know you're very nice. Tell me frankly, how do you all feel right now? One more to describe how you feel right now before I talk about the last one. Okay, awesome, value, really. Do we need to take profit? Oh yeah, the auto trading all can do one. What's the difference between 16 and 17? One is bear, one is bull. Okay, so RSI. Sorry, did I? Oh no, this. No, this one is price must be below 200 SMA. This one I must make very clear one. Some people may be confused. Okay, now final one. If you all don't know anything, I share with you all. Just buy S&P 500. This one, I don't say it lightly. If you buy S&P 500, you buy this one, I just end this off. Then after I'll tell you all another gift I want to give you guys. Then for those who feel that hey, a lot of value, you want to donate a couple of money to the charity, I'll show you where to donate also. Now I just share with you all one last one. So S&P 500, right? Yeah, I could. Okay, you can use TradingView. You like TradingView, right? You can use Jefferson's affiliate link if you want, no problem. Now S&P 500, you all can see will go up, will go down, correct? Okay. Okay. So example, it will go up, it will go down. Then in a year, okay, it will form higher high. Some years it goes low also, right? Some year it go low, right? I'm gonna give you a suggestion. Okay, example this year you can see sideways. Can I ask you this? Not a trick question. When is the best time to buy? Okay, let's say every year I'm going to get my bonus, then I'm going to buy. Should you buy here? Oops. Like that. Should you buy here at the low? Or should you buy here at the high? Can you tell me, is it H or L? This one is my mouse a bit problem. Okay. Should you buy at the low L or should you buy the high? L or high? lump sum bid DCA. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. Okay. But this one is for ease of people who let's say you're very new and after talk about 20 strategy, you say, oh forget it, I cannot. Then you can do S&P 500 SPY. Okay, we all want to buy the lower, but we will never know, correct? So my suggestion is right, every year, you just take some money, just go and buy. Okay, buy when? Buy during your birthday. Okay, you all can type you don't need to type your birthday. Okay, you're still talking about trading view, is it? Okay, so let me show you this. Let me show you this, guys. This one is a study. I like to do all the back testing. This is the all the data I crawl for the past 10 years. See, all the data. So there's some every single year, there's the highest, there's the lowest, right? There's the highest, there's the lowest. So I want to ask you this. Imagine every year you invest $2,000, but you don't know when is the high or low. Example, your birthday. Somehow, very interesting one. Your birthday is always the time where the stock market is the highest. You very interesting. Okay. Every time your birthday, you buy already, the market drop. Okay. Example. Let's see whether you make money or lose money. Even by data, data. Data are important. I don't like to just share without data. Now, let me show you this. If you invest 2,000 every single year, okay, you will have invested, let's say 11 years, from 2013 to 2023, you have invested 22,000. Okay, look at this, guys. Now, let me ask you this. If you have always bought at the high, right, will you make money or lose money? You how many type? M or L? M is make, L is lose. Make money. Okay, lose money. You see, S&P 500, the ETF right now is 548. Okay, 548, 549. I'm going to put into my Excel spreadsheet because I help you buy 548. Okay, 548. I help you buy every year at the highest. So if you buy at the highest, you get lesser units, right? 2,000, you buy the highest, you get certain amount of units. I just average it out, okay? So if you buy the higher, your 22,000, let me show you this. 22,000 will turn into 55,000. So you will make about 9 point something percent per year. This is if you buy at the worst case scenario every single year. But you must be very, very accurate to say every year I buy the highest. So even if you have a super, super, super lousy investor, you still can make 9.78% every year. If you invest strongly, make 9.78%, is that considered okay or not? If it's good, how many type G? Long run will make because will still go up. I'm not saying every year will make, but given time it will make. And this doesn't include 2% of dividends. You add it in, you may compound it at maybe about 11% per year. You tell me another instrument, you don't need to do anything, you can 11% and quite steady one. Then you don't buy the highest side, you buy average, you also can get 11 something percent. Okay, right now I'm measuring it when the stock market is quite high. If the stock market is low, this number will change a little bit. But I want to share with you guys, do invest, and S&P is quite solid one. But at the same time, I would love all of you guys to also master trading. Okay, so these are some gifts that I want to give you guys. Okay, wait. Before that, hang on a minute. Okay, before that, let me just give you guys the slides. Would you like to have the slides? If you all want to have the slides, type yes. Okay. 20th July. Let me send you guys a slide now. Then later I will email you also. So don't have to be too worried if let's say you never get the slides. Okay. Wait, how do I send the slides? Hang on a minute. I can send slides on, right? Oh, I dropped the file here, is it? Position. Oh. You all see whether can see or not? Can you all see? Wait, hang on. It is how to screen for stocks. This one you don't have to screen for all the stocks. When you start for you just use S&P 500, you use gold, you use forex. Can you all see the slides? Is it inside the chat? Don't have. Okay, wait. I put into Dropbox. Give me a while. Okay. Give me a while. Okay. Or Telegram also can. Can see? You all click first, Ke maybe you can give me your like can you like message me a way that I can contact you? You're also very interesting. Can see the Dropbox wait. Okay, later I put inside the Telegram also. Okay, can Hey, Kevin, is there a way that I can contact you? Can you like PM me? Okay, guys, I'm going to share a few things with you guys. This one is the final portion already. Okay, so how to master the trading that we have. So many trading systems. Then I send you guys a slide. So I think first of all, you all focus on one time frame first. Either 1 hour, 4 hour daily. Some of you who are very chong want to do 15 minutes. Also can, also can. But remember the next thing is always remember to POT. Okay, this one I repeat a lot of times because I realized that seriously you will not understand what it means until you go through this one. Okay, wait. 1 minute. Okay. Okay, then the next thing is this. Okay, so next thing is, okay, I got a special gift for all of you. Would you like to have a special gift on top of another gift? Okay, if you want to have a special gift, type G for special gift. So actually, I've been thinking through. I want to conduct a special training. This one is quite a few things happen together. I want to conduct a special training, and this training, right, I want to tell you, even trading, short-term trading, all this, I'm not the best. I'm really not the best. I don't really do a lot of short-term trading, but I have a lot of friends who are, and I have a lot of friends with a lot of powerful friends. So from July to September, I would like to actually conduct a special training. If you all want to join this special training, please type me. Okay, please type me. Okay, really, I'm not the best or the best or the best, but I do a lot of position sizing all that. So now this special training, right, I want to share with you, there's a few modules. Number one, I'll get one guy to teach you guys what is market making. So I don't know whether you heard of Ken Griffin. He is actually one of the Citadel, one of the biggest portion. If you go and watch his interview, right, he mentioned that the market makers, right, are a very special group of people. They make money whether you win or lose. So I would like you all to learn all this. Would you all like to learn this? If you want to learn all this, help me type MM. MM stands for market making. So this is one of the modules that we'll be teaching you guys. It's not by me. I will get the CEO of some of the brokerages, right, to come and share with you all how to do it. Okay, so the way all these modules, everything that we put down here, it is 100% content. There will not be any selling, and all these people, they are really like big CEOs and stuff like that. Okay. Second portion, I will get a full-time trader plus a hedge fund manager to
I
teach
have
you
actually
day trading
tweaked
strategy.
some of the criteria.
This one is not
for
something
the trend
that
reversal
I do
since
also,
the first
but this
time
one
I've
is something
actually
that I
put
saw
into the
a few of my friends, right? They every day can make like $100 to $1,000. So every day you just trade, make 100,000. That day not profitable close. So it's something that's quite powerful. For those, some of you may be good in this day trading. If you want to learn day trading, come type DT for day trading. So this one, these are all the dates. Later I'll send you guys. Okay, I'll show you guys how to actually get all this. So this is one of the fund managers we talked to. His name is called Matthew. He uses Go and G10, which is the top 10 Forex trading pairs to do this. He will actually be coming here, sharing with you guys some strategy, asking questions. Quite a number of them, they don't have public speaking experience. I mean, say for me, I mean, I've been coaching, I've been training for quite some years. So I need you to also be a bit understanding, because a lot of them, they just spend their whole life trading. So they may not be able to explain things as clearly. They may use a lot of jargons. You got to be a little bit aware, but don't worry, we'll be there to facilitate also. Okay. But very cool, right? Learn from fund managers who manage 200 over $1 million. Okay. So the third module, right? This one taught by me. This one will be auto trading. Okay, this one auto trading because a lot of you all ask, hey, how do I do back testing? How do I auto trade? This one I'll be sharing with you guys. And one exciting portion is how to optimize it. So this one I want to share. It is part of my training that my quant traders is joining me. So every month we have a mastermind and all this. But this module, right? One of my friend is going to sponsor this module for you all to join. Okay, so you'll be sponsored. Okay, so meaning to say you can come in and then you can learn. And what is the purpose of us doing this, right? Is because when you go and backtest and when you find better scripts, we are hoping that two things happen. One is you share the script. Okay, I don't know whether you're okay with it. So when you find certain, wow, this method really very good. If you don't mind sharing in the community one, you can type S for sharing. So because we know that we can use a lot of things, but there's also limit one. If everybody come together, we test together, wow, I tell you, we will find out even better ways to make money, correct? Then the second thing is maybe some of you may consider joining us as our full-time investor portfolio manager. Okay, we are also looking for it now. Our fund is going to be up quite soon already. Okay, so optimization, all this, how to do MT4, all this software that we share with you, is all free one. Let me think. Yeah, it's all free one. So when you join the training, you will learn the full suite of exactly how all these quant traders do it. Okay, Ken? Now, then in the end, we'll tell you how to do auto trade. Go and click auto trade. I'm doing some auto trading myself, making quite good money. It's like sometimes I also feel a bit embarrassed. I don't know how to say lah. I feel embarrassed, like, wow, how come like the computer can help me make money like quite easy lah. I feel like never do work to make money like that. I don't know whether any of you all got this issue. Like you feel a bit embarrassed or feel a bit bad if you never put in effort and you make money. Anybody got an issue? For me, I feel like I sometimes got this issue lah. Okay, I feel like I should do more work to get more money. But well, it's working. We take the money we give to people lah. Can lah? Okay. So it's quite funny Okay, the fourth module is called the perfect portfolio. This one, another fund manager will be coming in. Okay, forming portfolio is very important. We'll tell you guys. So I get quite a few big people who are managing millions. I'm hoping to get one or two that manage billions one. But that one a little bit harder. Different time zone also. Okay, to come and teach also. Then okay, so the final thing is this. The exciting part is after all the training, you can see the training is from July to September, but the dates right is only until 31st July lah. Okay, this is something I want to do lah because I know that I wish that someone had done this for me when I first started out. I want to like get people to live trade together. So how many of you want to do live trading together? Like, so it's not just learning is one thing, but already open the account or put in some money, then go and trade. Okay, this is the thing now. Okay, can? So okay, so I want to share with you all, there's a bit of a criteria lah, because quite a number of these fund managers and all that is sponsored by my friend. And the condition quite simple. So we will put you guys all into this Telegram group, and then we will actually, when we do live trading, we will do live trade together, and then we grow the money together lah. So okay, a few things okay, this thing will be 100% free. Okay, 100% free. How many of you love it? If you love it, type 100% okay. So a few conditions Number one no obligation but once we make money together, we grow together, we give to people who are needy. So I'm going to put out this link. This one really up to you guys. Hey, I don't want you to feel obligated. I don't want you to like overgive. But this one is really children who don't even have schools and they don't even have a chance. So this is something that if you all find that is good, you all can also give this to this Classroom of Hope. So it's something that we aim to do. But I want to say this otherwise. If you got your own charity that you're supporting, go ahead and support your own charity. We are not trying to be, it's not a competition. It's not a competition. Okay, it's just really a practice to give also. The second portion is right. Hey, when we do all this live trading, can you all agree to take personal responsibility? So you cannot like come back and then blame and then say, hey, how come this one not working? How come lose money? Because we'll lose money one. It's just that we will do the 2% stop loss. If you are okay, agreeable, help me type A lah, agreeable. Take responsibility lah. Cannot be, well, everything we also cannot huh? So okay, so this particular program, right? Okay. I don't want you to feel like obligated or things like that. So this particular program, quite a number of the fund managers we are pulling in, quite a lot of the trainings is sponsored by Monexa. Okay, so this one, how am I benefiting from it? I'm also still thinking. But the thing that I'm benefiting is he give me access to fund managers who is actually managing hundreds and 200s or millions of dollars. That's where we can link up together. So how to access the free training, right? Okay, so the free training, right? Actually very simple. So what is going to happen is this. We have this thing called, initially it's like a competition, but I also tell him, actually I talk to people from Monexa, I say, hey, maybe people don't really want to compete in competition. Can we don't compete? Can we win together or not? How many of you love to win together? If you love to win together, type W. So I share with you what we bargain with them. So I managed to bargain with them now. So you can see, I tell them that, hey, can you sponsor more fund managers and more real life traders? Because they are a brokerage. Inside the brokerage, they can see who is winning and making money and who is not one. So those people who are making money, we are reaching out to them and say, is it okay you come and do some sharing, teach us some systems and things like that? And interestingly, some of them managed to do that. Okay. So what you need to do is this. Okay. I'm going to pass you guys the link. Okay. Later I share you guys. Okay. So after, okay, once you go for here, right? Okay. The registration period, this one you don't need to worry too much. It's not about the competition already. We want to all learn together and then all make money together. And then after that, those who are interested to join the competition, we do live trading. Then those who get picked up, hey, you are very good in trading. Some of the fund managers may come and talk to you, see whether you want to trade their money, and some of you may get prizes. Okay, but it's not about that. If you are interested in competition, go ahead. But we want to train and master and live trade together. Okay, who wants that? Okay, PyScript. PyScript, hey, there's no PyScript. This one is an expert advisor. So all this is all on MT5 trading. Okay, once you go there, you can click register. So you click on this one, Alpha Trader. You just register now. This one, okay, this one basically, once you onboard, initially they have a few conditions. You must enter the competition. You must put in how much. I told him this. I told him, I said, hey, is it okay that we take away all these conditions, let's say my birthday, then my followers, all this, can we just allow all of them to come and join in for all the training? If let's say after training they are comfortable, they will enter the competition because they also want to make this something quite grand. So I managed to get a waiver, but it's for this day. For I told them that Friday I'm talking to them. When they enter, they just register. Can don't like them must join competition, force them must put in deposit, how much or not. And they okay, good news is all agreeable. Meaning you say it's 100% free. There's no strings attached on. All you need to do is register. Then we will send you the links to join in the training. Is it good? Okay. So there's no strings attached. Okay. It's really a gift. Then later you all feel that it's really not bad. Let's join the competition or want to give to charity, then we do together. Okay. I don't like to like the only thing that I have the condition is you cannot blame us lah. Like we show live trading that can all agreeable, all okay. Help me type ATC lah. This is called Alpha Trading Cup. It's an MBA that we put together for everybody. Okay, so let me show you a few things now. Okay, so I'm going to put it inside this chat group again. Let me put okay, thanks a lot. Okay, here you all can, but this one you all must register today lah. So today register one, there's no conditions already. I told him today is a special day lah. So sometimes I got birthday, all this pull at first heart. You all know lah, I can be quite persuasive when I want to. So don't okay lah. So once you go inside there, once you register, they will ask you to join the Telegram group. So just join the Telegram group lah. Okay. The Telegram group, actually, I give you all shortcut lah. Okay, I give you all the Telegram group now. Should I do that? Okay. I really going all out to spoil the markets. Okay, so in this Telegram, no, this is the chat. In this Telegram group, that's where we will talk about live trading together. Okay, Ken? Oh, sorry. One thing I want to share. So for some of the fund managers, when we invite them, they got request one thing. I want to be very upfront also. They got request, they say that I can share a bit of my strategies here and there, but cannot be the proprietary one. Okay. No experience on this because no experience on this, don't worry. It is all the training. It's all about training. So I want to be very upfront. They did mention that if during their training session, when they share with you guys, is it okay they talk a little bit about their fund? So I told them it's okay lah, correct? I told them it's okay lah. Can So you all can just click here, go to the link, click register. It's totally for beginners. It's also okay because we will train you guys step by step. Okay. So the thing is to grow together now. Can once you click inside there, they will ask you to join the Telegram group. Then they will ask you to open a account with Monexa. This one is just my appeal to you lah. If you all don't mind, you all just open an account with them because they are the ones sponsoring this. But you are not obligated to put any money in or things like that lah. But at least for courtesy's sake, you just open up. Then that's it lah. Okay. So this the thing. Okay, So after that, there's the key thing that I want to share with you guys. Then after that, the exciting part that I want to do is to live trade together. When we live trade together, that's where we already learn a lot. Because all this for me, when I initially started, I read a lot of books, I attend a lot of lessons. Well, when it comes to live trade, I'm scared until also don't know how to move forward. So at least we do it together, we calculate the position size, then we can go together. If you all want, you all can fund depending on your comfort level. Okay, I explain a little bit. When you receive all these things, they will have some bonuses and things like that. You're going to read through. You're going to read through, and then you'll see whether it makes sense to you. So that's all I wanted to share with you guys. For those who feel that you have benefited, do join this Alpha Trading MBA to come and learn together with us. Okay. Again, zero strings attached, nothing. It's just register. Then it's just that some of the fund managers may ask you, hey, you interested in invest in my fund? Then you'll consider whether you want or not. Other than that, we will try to find other traders and investors to come in and then trade together. So it will be until end of September. Then end of September, we aim to master this trading together. I want to set certain expectation, okay? Because I really do experience this before. The trading system, right? We can try quite a number of things, but in the end, right, all of us, we may get different results. It can be the same system, but different result. So I want you all to end off by typing POT again. POT. Okay? Position size, optimize, and then we trade. Okay, Oh no, if let's say you already have the account, you have Monexa account and all that, then don't worry lah. You just register for this and then you just go through the process again. Okay, no problem. Don't need to open another account. Okay, So let me see what other questions you all have. Algo trading. Okay, so for those quant trading one, right, it's a totally different thing. I'll brief you again. But for the quant trading one, if you're in my quant trading mastermind, then I maybe will encourage you to join the competition because you are trained by some of the very top people, correct? So this one, Alpha Trading Cup. I hope that this is something that benefit you guys. Anyway, 12 o'clock already. So let's go for lunch. I hope you all learned something. Recording, I'll send you guys. I'll send you through the email and also through the Telegram. So make sure you are in our Telegram group, the next level Telegram group. If you are not, then a little bit harder to communicate. Let me see. Oh, okay. Oh, some of you very smart. Put your affiliate link. Okay, this is the Telegram group. Please join. Later, the slides, I'll put that in again. I'll put in the recording. I hope that I did not overwhelm you all with too many strategies. Out of the 20, aim for a few lah. Golden Cross, go for the Japanese one, all very cute one. You can go and try, but the Japanese are very, very good traders. In case you all didn't know, you all can go and try all the Japanese names one, and then the Russian guy one, the NRT, very, very interesting. But most of them, right, I realize different people somehow something will click with you one. So you go and look through again, see which one works for you. Then we start to test together. Remember, POT, start small, POT. So thanks a lot for spending this birthday session with me. I hope that you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys around, and then yeah, we continue to trade together, and then let's build wealth, give wealth, and together let's go to the next level. All right, see you guys. Bye bye.